Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is it expensive to replace knob and tube wiring? It's not cheap. According to Networks, the average cost of replacing knob and tube wiring in a two-story home could be in the range of $7,000. It's important to hire a certified electrician and follow building code. Replacement of knob and tube wiring is costly, but it's a good investment. Is knob and tube wiring a deal breaker? If the home has knob and tube wiring, it will need to be fully removed and replaced with a grounded system. Other wiring and electrical issues may crop up on your inspection as well. If they do, talk to a local electrician to get a feel for repair costs. Does knob and tube wiring use more electricity? Though that old knob and tube wiring may have been working in your home for a while, today's homes draw much more electricity than the average 1940s home. Thus, knob and tube is frequently overloaded, posing a fire hazard.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.